In this video, we are going to find general formula for any type of triangle or quadrilateral which will get us to the area of that figure. Alright, so in a triangle, if the length of two consecutive sides and the angle between them are given, then area of that triangle is always half AB sine theta. Alright, and in a quadrilateral, if the length of two diagonals and any one angle out of 4 theta are given, then area of that figure is half d1 d2 sine theta. Alright, sine theta 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. तो वैल्यू क्या हो जाता है इसका? 0 degree is sin 0 degree is 0, 30 degree is half, this is 1 by root 2, this is root 3 by 2 and this is 1. How to remember these values? So there is a trick. For this, write root of 0 by 4, for this write root of 1 by 4, then root of 2 by 4, then 3 by 4, and for this root of 4 by 4. So in this way we can find area of any triangle if the two consecutive sides and the angle between them are given, on and any quadrilateral if the length of two diagonals and any one angle of these 4 are given. Alright, always this is the formula. It's because if this is theta, then this is 180 minus theta, and we all know that sine 180 minus theta equals sine theta. So these are the formulas. Alright, thank you.